Welcome to the Sam Jones Show, and today we're here to see these final renovations at this completed project. Let's see what it's looking like. New flooring, new paint throughout, fresh light fixture, recessed lighting throughout. Come into the kitchen, you also got new light fixtures, new backsplash, new cabinets, stainless steel appliances as well. Everything ready to go in there. Move over to the master. Same thing here. New flooring, new light fixture, going to the master bathroom. It's been completely renovated from top to bottom. Fresh tile, fresh vanity. Going down the hall to the other hall bath and other 3 bathrooms, you find the same thing. It's tile from top to bottom, all new fixtures. It's about ready to go. This is a pretty dope project. Alright guys, that's it. That's the complete project. I had this property on the market for $239,900. It went under contract in 3 to 4 days. Stay tuned. I have another one coming up in the next week or so. That one's going on the market for about $900,000. See you guys soon.